Game 3 of the playoffs. Win and likely you're in. Lose, your season is over. Riptide taking on the Titans. Titans beat the Blaze yesterday, and the Blaze beat the Riptide handily earlier this morning, 9-4. Riptide are looking to bounce back and move on in the playoffs. Go to the semifinals. We'll see if they can bounce back. Papard bringing it down the wing, centers it, picked up by Farrell, blocked in front. Farrell again, spinorama, loose in front. Klugerman takes it in the corner, blows a tire. Klugerman to Farrell. Farrell with a head of steam. Down to number 9, Papard. Papard centers it. Klugerman can't find the handle. They pinch it off, hold it in. Down the ice come the Titans. Serio battling on the boards. Klugerman chases in the corner. Beats the first guy. Stick on puck, good job by Slate. Serio flying up the boards, heads to the center, looking for a shot. Loses the handle. Hogan blows a tire. Farrell with a head of steam coming straight up the ice. He's got a wing. It's Serio. He's coming to the net. Around the net. In front. No one home. Dario blocked at the point. Farrell puts one on net. Lawrence in the corner. Out to the point. Back to Lawrence. Farrell back checking. Over to Lawrence. Ooh, nice little toe drag. Another. Unsuccessful. It's loose. Close game so far between the Titans and the Riptide. Papard battling in the corner. Farrell taking it wide. Oh, nice play. No mustard on the shot. Benny going for a battle in the corner. Nice job. Up the boards. Here comes Farrell. Toe drag. Gavin puts it into Farrell. Farrell. Nice. Backhand. Oh, Dennis! Oh, nice save by the goalie. Uh-oh. Loose in front. Comes out of the zone. Here comes Klugerman. Gets it out of the zone. Good back check by Simi. Here comes Hogan. Oh, right through the stick. Tries to center. Klugerman holds it in. Lawrence gets clothesline. Slate going to the backhand. Lawrence. To Serio. Serio blasts one. Center's rocking out. Benny chasing. Hogan. Not controlling the puck. Ooh, back check. They throw it in front of the net. Lots of sticks there. Ooh, Bennett has it. He's open. He shoots. Oh, it bounces in. Saved by the goalie. Here comes Farrell. Weaving through traffic. What a move! Oh, can't find the corner. That looks like an ice, and it is. Out to the point, Hogan, way too long with the puck. Into the corner for Lawrence. Lawrence battling on the boards. Serio, Hogan. Corner to Slate. Slate loses the handle. Slate. Here he comes, he's in the corner. Oh, nice little spin move. Out to Serio. Serio shoots from the top of the circles. Blocked. Lawrence chasing in the corner. Funny bounce. Out to Hogan.